Hi, I am Advocate R.J. Pinto. I am here before the District and Session Court at Margao with regards to my client, Amrit Govind Sakhalkar, who was arrested on the 23rd of December 2025 for the offences of rape, sexual assault, outraging modesty of women, and criminal intimidation, which was filed by the so-called victim against him. On 23rd, he was arrested. On 27th, an interim bail was granted to him, and that interim bail has been confirmed on today's date, that is 16th of Feb 2026, with certain conditions that he should give a personal bond of 25,000 rupees with one surety. He should not tamper with the evidence. He should not coerce or put any kind of an pressure or undue influence on the witnesses. He should not leave the state of Goa without the prior permission of the court. He should hand over passport, if any, he possesses. And with regards to that, he also has to give his permanent address as well as the place where he was last working as a secretary. So with regards to that, the court has been kind enough, and there is justice being granted to my client, and he's been released. In fact, this particular complaint, which has been filed by the so-called victim, she herself has been released on bail in the month of October with regards to a complaint of cheating and criminal intimidation which was filed by my client against her. So with regards to that, this particular complaint has come as a counterblast against my client, and then accordingly my client had to face all this kind of harassment, and now he's been released on bail. So there is justice being granted to him as of now with regards to the bail order.
Doctor, where your client was working?
My client is a Panchayat secretary. He was the acting Panchayat secretary of Raya Panchayat, and as of now he's been suspended. So as there is a bail order now, then there can be some kind of an act which is to be done from his side now in order to get him back on his work.